Now I want to show you how we've been marking for the bus bay. You know what I'm saying? We have been here area where the car passes, that stupid car. You see? See behind there? Now, this is the bus bay. Look at how cement park's gonna be spread. This is the Kinduni Zanzibar road making, and this is 11750 Kinduni Sokoni. The background there at the back, the place has been stabilized already, and part of my team might be behind, very behind, doing the finishings before we come ahead. We upload the parks, we spread, we stabilize, and things goes. You know what I'm saying? This is my first birthday to make. I mean to draw. How good it has been. Look the lines. Boss will be happy with me. I'm very sure. So till next time you hang with me, this is Road Construction Zanzibar, 31 km, Bububu to Kokotoni, right?